Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and these little Hemostat pliers from GEARWRENCH are an awesome addition to our workshop. So these are a set of two Hemostat pliers, and one is straight and one has a curved tip. And what's cool about these as opposed to other Hemostat pliers is that they have a compound axis here. So they have these two different joints, which allows you to open the jaws really wide with minimal movement back here. And these are nice and long and allow you to get into really tight spaces. So we have used these for things like brake lines and for grabbing a hold of screws in really hard to reach places in motorcycle engines and other uses as well. And they are just great to add a little bit of extra reach, and you get a really strong grip on whatever you're trying to hold. And of course, these little ridges here can be held into place so you can keep whatever you're holding in place as well. So this is a great little kit. We've been really happy with it. They are super durable. They are made of an alloy steel. They're corrosion resistant, and they're just a really nice addition to our toolkit. So if you're looking for a set of Hemostat pliers, definitely recommend these ones. They are a great product, and that is my point of view.